Hello friends, today I will tell you how to map your holding account with your MPLAD web portal new IE main ID. Just log into IE main ID, then go to my module. After that you have to click on development work. Then you show three options. You have to choose the between one master configuration. Then you will show holding account mapping. Click on it. Just click on add. Choose here holding account. Fill your account number. Search for IFSC code of your bank in which your account had. After that, it searched automatically your bank name, and just click on save. That's it, your bank has been saved. That's it, your account has been mapped. Thank you. Subscribe my channel for more MPLAD new web portal videos. Thank you.